Sanvi Punya and welcome back to my channel, which is Sanvi's World. And in this video I am going to teach you the topic related to the GK, and the topic's name is some of our wildlife sanctuaries of India. Now you must think that why I am teaching you this topic? Yes, because of Wildlife Day. Now today is 3rd March, so today is the day of wildlife. So I thought that I can teach you the chapter related to the Wildlife Day. So let's get started before any further delay. Now first, I will tell you about World Wildlife Day. It is obviously on 3rd March. The United Nations General Assembly decided to proclaim 3 March the day of the adoption of the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora as World Wildlife Day. The 2019 theme is Life Below Water for People and Planet. Now I will ask you some quiz. No, I will tell the name of the sanctuary and I will tell that where is it. So our first sanctuary is Jawai Band Leopard. Where is it? It is in Pali, Rajasthan, as you can see in the picture. So this is the only place in India where you get to see cave dwelling big cats, and this uniqueness makes it more special than any park or sanctuary in India. Now Ranthambore National Park. Where is it? It is in Savai Madhopur, Rajasthan. Ranthambore National Park is the biggest and the most famous wildlife conservation area of Rajasthan with a total area of 1334 sq km. It became a national park on 1st November 1980. Now, our next sanctuary of India is Jim Corbett National Park. Where is it? It is in Uttarakhand. The oldest national park in India, which was established in 1936 for the protection of the endangered Bengal tiger. It has been named after the renowned hunter and naturalist Jim Corbett. Now our next wildlife sanctuary of India is Kaziranga National Park. Where is it? It is in Assam. So Kaziranga National Park boasts of being a World Heritage Site with the 2/3 of the world's great one-horned rhinoceros. The total number of rhinos in this Kaziranga is 2,413 as per then the census held in March 2018. Now, our next sanctuary of India is Kanha National Park. Where is it? It is in Madhya Pradesh. Kanha National Park is known as the Kanha Kisli National Park. Now, our next wildlife sanctuary of India is Sundarbans National Park. Where is it? It is in West Bengal. Sundarbans National Park is mainly a mangrove forest located on Ganga's delta and becomes one of the largest reserves for the Bengal tiger. Now our next is Bandipur National Park. Now where is it? It is in Karnataka. Bandipur National Park is located in the state of Karnataka. Now Periyar National Park. Where is it? It is in Kerala. Periyar National Park has become a home to several endangered and endemic flora and fauna. Now our next wildlife sanctuary of India is Gir National Park. Where is it? It is in Gujarat. Gir National Park is known as Sasan Gir. This national park and wildlife sanctuary is located in the state of Gujarat. Now, Panch National Park. Where is it? It is in Madhya Pradesh. It is in Madhya Pradesh. Panch National Park is mostly known for tigers, a disparate fauna along with a large variety of deer and birds. Now, I will read some 10 lines for you related to Wildlife Day. So, let's start it. Let us start, okay? So, our first line related to World Wildlife Day is World Wildlife Day is celebrated to raise the awareness among people about world's flora and fauna on March 3rd every year. On 20 December 2013, United Nations in its 68th Assembly session decided to observe 3rd March as World Wildlife Day. The day is celebrated to create awareness about the importance of wildlife for humanity and planet. Wildlife refers to all organisms that live wild in region without having the direct conflict with humans. Every year government, NGOs of civil communities jointly hold awareness program on wildlife benefits on the occasions. Now, wildlife helps in preserving and balancing the biologically diverse ecosystem by providing stability to various natural processes. World Wildlife Day celebration aims at protecting millions of endangered species present on land and ocean. The celebration of World Wildlife Day recognizes the contribution of wildlife, which provides us food, medicines, and environmental benefit. Nations organize various events like lecture, exhibitions, panel discussions, seminars to celebrate World Wildlife Day. United Nations organizes workshops to deal with issues like poaching, smuggling, habitat loss through deforestation, or at various places across the globe on World Wildlife Day. So, happy Wildlife Day! If you love studying with me, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in our next video. Till then, good day and have a nice day. Bye bye.